Alright guys, what's up? This is the best view I could get right now. You're leaned up against the little iDrive system, but we're on the way to Blue Ridge Parkway to get some cool photo shoots, photo spots, and just hang out with everybody. We have a cool group of guys that Austin literally brought together at Cars and Coffee yesterday. Freaking sick. We have about probably like 10, 15 cars more meeting us up there. They're getting some sick rollers. It's just an awesome good time. We have a bunch of cool cars and just a great bunch of people together. Going up here for the day. The weather is beautiful. Car's showing 65 right now. Everything is awesome. I got Colin Rachel behind me. Just a beautiful freaking day. I'm happy to share it with you guys. I tried to do a little bit more talking as we get there. We're going to eat somewhere. I'm not sure where that somewhere is yet, but we will definitely get there and go from there, guys. And I'll try to get some rollers from some of the other guys and see if Rachel can maybe take some video for us. She's been doing really good with that, so shout out to Rachel. Let's go rock crawling. Yeah, it's beautiful. So we don't normally do mobile detailing per se, but when this won't fit in your shop, you gotta improvise here. So this is like a, I don't know, like a 2018 Dirty Max. It's on 30s, stupid crazy lift kit. Had a mobile detailer come and try to detail it and kind of ruin the thing. So me and Kyle are here to unruin it. Have the Rupes here with some metal polish, G-Technic polish, to get some scratches out the wheels. I'll show you. They took a brush to them. So if you can see right here, they took a brush to these girls, and it's not very fun, not at all. So we're here to get that out of these best we can. This is what we're working with after one pass. It's definitely a lot better. So yeah, SEMA truck mobile detail is a go, Kyle.
Shine my belt buckle.
Alright guys, we are pulling up at CES Motorsport. There's a cute random dog outside. That's pretty cool. But we are pulling up CES today. We are going to do valve cover gaskets again on this thing because I seem to have messed them up every freaking time. So at CES, got Chick-fil-A for me and Hindle. Since Tom is here, we're going to help put this motor in the back of his truck real quick for his F80. And go from there, guys. It'll be a fun day. Just shop day, you know. Just normal stuff, normal shenanigans. Both valve covers are back off. Everything's clean, everything's ready. Hendel is putting new valve cover gaskets and spark plug tube seals in. We had some that were a little messed up from when I put them in there. I just paint stuff, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, guys, we are back at the shop. M3 is washed, M3 is clean. It's been a couple days. Valve cover gaskets are A-okay, no leaking. Quaid is happy. Thank you so much, Hendel. We're gonna go ahead and do an oil change on this girl now. We have some Motul oil here and oil filter. We were using Redline before. We're gonna switch it up, try the Motul. No particular reason, just because it's what me and Hendel picked out to buy. So that's what we're gonna go with. Let's put it in the car. Motul 8100 X Power and a Moly filter. Just standard stuff, guys. 10 quarts, you know the deal. S65 is a thirsty girl with fuel and oil. This oil change we're doing at 3,000 miles for the first interval because we just did rod bearings and all that maintenance. We want to make sure if there's anything in there, it just comes out and we don't keep putting it in the oil. So just go ahead and do this one at 3K. Next oil changes we'll do around 5,000 miles. Just that's standard interval. It's what we're going to do. It's what I like to do. But this first one we'll do at 3,000 just because I want to do it. So that's what we're going to do. Let's knock it out. So pretty. And here's our final product. All of this is painted. It all matches. It looks very good. I'm very happy with that result. Everything kind of flows now and just matches very nicely. I'm very happy, Quaid. It looks freaking great. This color is beautiful. It's got so much pearl and flake in it, and I may or may not have added more pearl to it. So now what we're gonna do is put the new O-rings and these little brass washers on the drain plugs. Open this bad boy up. Got 2 of these brass washers, 2 little O-rings. You have a little O-ring on the end of the oil filter housing top. Just get that off a little pick right there. Go ahead and put this other one on. Super easy like that. And then there was some oil on my finger, but you want to put some oil. And you'll want to put it on that O-ring just to make sure it gets nice and sealed. Doesn't take much at all, just a little bit, rub around there. Then you have your big O-ring around the outside right here. Get that off this pick, super easy. And dispose of that guy. Take and put the new one on. Stretch it a little bit. Same thing here. And you can take some oil on your finger that's like in here and rub it on this if you want to. Whatever you like to do, or just stick my hand in here. It's a lot easier. Make sure you just coat this O-ring really good with some oil. Once you get all that in there, you're good to go on that front. Then I like to make sure all my drain plugs are clean. Before I put them back in, everything's off the bottom. Put the new O-ring on that one, little washer I mean, and put the washer on that one. You don't have to put oil on those or anything, it's gonna be oil on the bottom of the motor. You can just wipe it off when you put these in the oil pan. These are both identical, so it doesn't matter which side you go in. This is a H6. Make sure this thing is all the way in there because these can strip out really easily if you're just putting it on the inside right there. They're Allen's. We did replace both these when Hendel did my rod bearings just to put new ones in there because one of them was kind of messed up. So just quick to note, and then maybe always keep a spare on you just in case. I probably will, but since these are both new, I didn't keep new ones on me right now, but just something to note here. Make sure this Allen is all the way in here so you don't mess this threads up. Let's go and put these in. We are good down underneath. We are going to put some oil in this oil filter housing just because that's what I do. Fill this back up a little bit. Like a new oil filter in the housing, we're going to go ahead and put this on here and proceed to screw it down. This is a 36 mil socket, if you were curious. This does not have to be really tight, you just go all the way down until it's like flush. Just like that. Snug enough. Now we proceed to put 10 quarts of Motul in this girl.
A few moments later. later. 3 days later. 12.
Oil change is done. Just drove the car. Freaking fantastic. Had a beautiful weekend. Car is amazing. I love this thing so much, guys. I'm in this video here. It's been a good time. Got a lot of stuff done. Had some good driving. Had some good experiences, and it's overall a really good weekend. Happy to share it with you guys. M3 sounds so good too. I love this new exhaust. It's so good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for checking it out. Hope you have a beautiful day, night, morning, afternoon, whenever you're watching this video. Hope you have an awesome time. I really appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this video. Really enjoy sharing this stuff with you guys. Check out the next one. We're gonna be doing some cool stuff to Kyle's car and doing something kind of out of our element in a sense. You'll see. It's pretty cool. Got some big news coming up. I don't know when the Razor motor is going to be here. It was supposed to be here Friday, didn't show up, but next week we'll hopefully be diving into that and going from there, guys. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, leave me a like. If you didn't, leave me a dislike. Thank you for watching this. Hope you have an awesome time. I'll see you all later.